Okay guys, so we are working on our exterior some more. We are still working on it. We got a lot more to do, but we are working on some of our metal panels. I'm choosing to show you some of the easier wall because it's a lot easier than some of the bigger ones. But these are our panels. They're 3 foot wide, they overlap. So I'm going to kind of just show you how I'm going to make this cut right here around the window. So first of all, I got this trimmed out and it is caulked back there. It's going to be weatherproof. So I come over here where the overlap's going to hit this one. There's a rib that goes right in here, like so over there, and then I'm going to measure, and it's 16 5/8 where it's going to go from here to here. I get that, and then I figure out my height. Since I'm putting these tight to the top, I'm measuring off the top. It's 51 5/8. So I got those measurements, and I came over here and did the same thing, measured it out. So this is the top, this is the bottom, and I'm going to make the cut. I'm going to just use my aviation snips for across the ribs, and then I'm going to use shears to cut lengthwise because it makes it easier. So I'm just going to show you. Try to cut real nicely. Now you can cut this in different ways, but a saw, anything that heats up, will burn paint when you cut it. It can peel off. And there's another tool you can use that's called a nibbler, but I don't really use it. I don't have one. So that's how I'm cutting it. I'm just gonna go check it out. Fits good. Okay, so we got our piece cut. We test fitted, make sure it fit good, and want to do that before I actually install it, because when I trimmed out this window, I put a caulk bead in between this channel and the window. Not where you want to see it, right here. My daughter's in the window with me. Hi. So, but when this goes in here, to keep wind-driven rain and snow out from coming down, is what our goal is. I'm going to caulk it basically where this is going to meet here, and I don't want to see it. So I'm going to come in and put a heavy bead, this is a silicone, a non-paintable caulk. Put a big bead right here. I keep it back a little bit from this corner because when you slide this piece in, it might move it some. Oh, and then we're gonna come in, put it in.
Hold on. Okay.
Oh, go in. Try to get it right here where it sits good. Thank you, babe, for assistance. I'm just gonna push this tight in here and put my screws in here, and you won't see it, but it'll be behind here, and then so snow can't come back. It'll just have to come down this channel, and then I put some caulk right here in the corner here, and it should be sealed really well. So yeah, that's kind of how we're doing it. Got my panels pre-drilled, one extra on the overlap so it sits tight. And basically they're every 2 feet wherever my backing is in my walls. So that's kind of how we got it installed. We got these panels done, and we're going to keep on finishing this wall.